6 1-minute microwave mug cake recipes. Starting with the vanilla mug cake, add 4 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, and mix. Microwave for 1 minute. Vanilla mug cake is done. Next up is the chocolate mug cake. Add 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of oil, 3 tablespoons of milk to bring it all together, and 1 tablespoon of chocolate chips for the extra chocolate flavor. After mixing, microwave for 1 minute. Chocolate mug cake is ready. The next one is my favorite out of all of them, the chocolate peanut butter mug cake. Add 3 tablespoons of flour, 1½ tablespoon cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 3½ tablespoons of milk, ½ tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter to give it the peanut butter taste. Mix and microwave for 1 minute 15 seconds. Chocolate peanut butter mug cake is ready. Next is the banana mug cake. Take half a banana and mash it until it's about a liquid consistency. Transfer into a mug. Add 1 tablespoon of milk, ½ tablespoon of oil, ½ tablespoon of honey, 3 tablespoons of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of salt to boost the flavor. Mix. Microwave for 45 seconds. Banana mug cake is ready. Next is the red velvet mug cake. Add 4 tablespoons of flour, ½ tablespoon of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 3 tablespoons of milk, 1½ tablespoons of oil, 2 or 3 drops of red food coloring, and 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. Microwave for 1 minute 15 seconds. Red velvet mug cake is done. Last is the date mug cake. Add 3 pitted dates, 2 tablespoons of water, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Microwave for 40 seconds to soften the dates. Then add 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix and add 1 egg yolk, 3 tablespoons of flour, 1 tablespoon of chopped walnuts. Mix it all together and microwave for 1 minute. Date mug cake is ready. I hope you give these a try and let me know how it turns out.